Hello, my name is Mr. Lloyd. I'm the director of the Learning Center. Welcome to TCI's tutorial. First, make sure you have a calculator handy before we start. Now, for today, I'm going to show you how to interpret a circle graph. First, let's look at this example. The circle graph shows the land of each of the 7 continents in square miles. Use this graph to answer the following questions. Before we start answering the question, let's look at the graph. The 7 continents consist of Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. And you know each of them has the land mass. So the first question says, find the total land area for the 7 continents. What that means is we need to add all the land mass for each continent together. So we're going to start with Asia, which is 17,150,000. And we'll have to add all the others, meaning we're going to add Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Asia. So the last one is Asia. So we have 2,970,000. Now remember, as I mentioned earlier, you need your calculator. You're going to add all these numbers together. Now, after adding all these numbers, the result should be 57,240,000 square miles. Now, let's look at the second question. How much larger is North America than South America? So now we're comparing North America and South America. So North America covers 9,420,000 and South America covers 6,870,000. And we want to see how larger is North America, so we're going to take away or find the difference. Now, after finding the difference of these two numbers, we should have 2,550,000 square miles. So that tells me that North America is larger than South America by 2,550,000 square miles. The third question. What percent of the total land area is the land area of Asia? So we want to find the percentage of how large Asia is. So in order for us to find the percentage, we need to know the total area covered. So Asia is 17,150,000, and that goes over the total land area, which is 57,240,000. And since it is percentage, we multiply by 100%. After putting these numbers in the calculator, you should get, and again remember, the clue is round to the nearest tenth, therefore we want it, or approximately 30%. And lastly, what percent of the total land area is the land area of Australia? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So now we're comparing Australia. Australia is 2,970,000, and that goes over the total land area of 57,240,000 times 100%. And again, remember, round to the nearest tenth. So after putting these numbers in your calculator, your result is approximately 5.2%. Okay, let's revise the problem we did. Find the total land area for the 7 continents. So what I did was I add all the land area for every continent, starting from Australia, going all the way around to Asia. So by adding all the land area, it was 57,240,000 square miles. Now the second one say, how much larger is North America than South America? Again, I need to identify the land mass for North America and South America and find the difference, which end up to be 2,550,000 square miles. The third was, what percent of the total land area is the land area of Asia, round to the nearest tenth? So I need to identify the land area for Asia, and then we divide it by the total land area for all 7 continents, multiplied by 100%, and 30% was the result. And the last, what percent of the total land area is the land area of Australia, and again round to the nearest tenth. So we identify the land area for Australia divided by the total land area for all 7 continents, multiply by 100% and give us 5.2%. I hope by you using interpreting a circle graph tutorial helps you. Thank you for using TCI tutorials. My name is Mr. Lloyd. Until next time.